All right, it's time now for our money tip because every week we put one of these together for you. And so many of us are thinking about, how do we start saving money? People will just go ahead and take a look at, say, their cable bill. But then you start looking at when you cut the cable, now you have all these streaming services that you're paying for. Netflix is $15, YouTube is $10, and then you've got Hulu for $17 a month. And the list just goes on and on. So in this week's Money Tip, I've decided to find 5 absolutely free sites that you can stream great content at no charge. Let's start at number 1, Sony Crackle. It's been out there for a pretty long time. Of course, as you might imagine, Sony Crackle is all things Sony. And it's a free service. You also get spotlights and originals and action dramas. It works on all your set-top boxes, gaming consoles. The service is ad-supported to allow it to continually be free. Number 2 is Tubi, T-U-B-I. It streams more than 12,000 titles, including movies and TV shows. It also works on your smartphones and all kinds of other sources. And again, you will see some ads during the shows. Pluto TV is actually owned by Viacom. A lot of people don't know that. It has more than 100 free channels. You can find old TV shows, movies, runs on all your Apple TVs, Android, Amazon Fire TVs, Chromecast, Roku, PlayStation. We've got links to this too. 4 is YouTube. A lot of people don't realize this, that there's actually a free version of YouTube that has great stuff aside from cat videos. Video quality is based on the program, but you've got CBS, BBC, and a whole bunch other. But there's no way to filter the content by genre. Fee, paid, it's going to be difficult to find, but they do have a paid version if you really want to hang out on YouTube. Getting back to the free, though, we have Vudu, which has full-length movies and TV for free. They also, what I like about it, it has MPAA scores and Rotten Tomatoes scoring. If it has closed captions, length of the content, it gives you a lot of information about whatever you're going to be looking at. And as a bonus, don't forget, you can watch your favorite local TV channels in HD for free, too. We've got links to some of my favorite antennas that you can buy over at Amazon.com. And for all the links that you need and the step-by-step details to set it all up, look no further than Komando.com. When you're there, hit that Show Picks button right on the homepage.